So once you've created a design, you're going to go to the left side and you are going to select the option which says apps. After selecting apps, you are going to type in FontStudio. Then you're going to select it. It's going to have an FS as the picture icon. Then you're going to go to the bottom and you're going to select open. And then here it's going to ask you to select a template. I'm going to use this one. And then here you can change the text. So you're going to go under text and then you can change it to whatever you want. There we go. And then you can also change the font settings, such as you can change the font style. So right now it is selected to Carter 1. So you're going to select the arrow pointing to the right and then you can change it to something else. I'm going to use Poppins. And then you can also change the alignment of the words. So you're going to go to the right side here of the font style. Let's say I add in a space here. I press enter. Then I go and change the alignment. As you can see here, you can move the words around. Then here you can also make some adjustments. So there's this adjustment icon that you can select. And then here you can change the letter spacing. And then you can also change the line spacing if you want. And then there's two different types of styles. So we have the regular and then we have the italic. If you want to change it to italic, you go and select it there. And then it's going to change it to an italic font, which is also bold, but in the Poppins style. So I'm going to keep it as regular. And then you can also change the letter fill. Right now it's white, so you can see that the letters inside is currently a white color. Let's say I want to change it to a different color. You go to select it, and then you go and select the plus icon here. And then you can change the color to whatever you want. So I'm going to select red. So I'm going to keep it white. Then the secondary color, you can also change it as well. So it's going to change the secondary letters to a different color. So you can choose another color. So I'm going to select light blue. And then you can also add in some special effects. So you're going to go to special effects. Then on the right side, you go and select the adjustment icon. And then you can change the letter tilt, as you can see here, or the letter separation. This is going to separate the letters from each other. Then if we go to layers, it says here that you can drag to reorder. So if I want to make some adjustments here, then I'm going to go to the right side here, then select it. And then you can change the outline thickness. So this is the outline. So if I increase it, you'll notice that it becomes thicker on the outline. But if I want it to be thinner, I'm going to reduce it. As you can see, that has become thinner. And then we have the projection. We can also make some adjustments there. And then if we want the projection length to be reduced, we can do so by dragging it to the left side. And as you can see there, the projection has been reduced. So it creates less of a 3D object and more of a 2D letter. If I want it to be more 3D, I'm going to drag the projection length bar to the right. And as you can see there, it drags it and makes it 3D. But since we don't want it to be too long, we're going to put it somewhere here in the middle. And then the projection angle, you can change it around like that. And then once you're done, you're going to go all the way to the bottom and you're going to select add to design. Then if you want to expand it, you're going to drag it here at the edge. So now if you want to drag it around, you're going to go within the purple lines and you can just click and then hold and then drag it anywhere. And there you go.